Nervos CKB, that is the layer 1 blockchain for Nervos network. Testnet launched on May 18th. In this episode, I will take you through the process of running a CKB node and mining CKB blocks to get reward. We will be using MacOS as the operating system, CKB JavaScript SDK to generate wallet, and the blockchain's Explorer to view results. Before getting hands dirty, let's first look at the big picture to see how things fit together. In order to mine CKB, you need to run your own node first. But what is a node? The answer is simple. A node is a computer with CKB client installed. I will show you how to download the client software and install it soon enough. And what is CKB testnet? CKB is a blockchain, a peer-to-peer network, which means there is no server. So the testnet is nothing but all the CKB nodes together. The nodes talk to each other and reach consensus on data to make the whole chain trustworthy. Testnet is different from mainnet in that it is here for testing only. A SDK is a piece of code that helps you interact with CKB network. In this episode, JavaScript version of the SDK will be used. So in order to follow along, you might need to have a basic understanding of how JavaScript and Node.js works. But there are SDKs for other languages too. Check the official doc site for more information. The process goes like this. I will first show you how to set up a node, and then using the SDK to generate a wallet of your own. Now change the node config to use your own wallet, so that the mining reward will be saved in the wallet. Then I will start to mine the block, and mining means to use my laptop's computing power to find a hash that matches the network's requirement. Once I find that hash, that means I find the seal for the block. I can publish the block to the network and get certain amount of CKB coins as the reward. And finally, I will show you how to use CKB Blockchain Explorer to check your rewards. Finally, be warned. The testnet will be reset every 2 weeks, so any coins you have on the testnet will be cleared upon the reset. Okay, now let's set up a node. Firstly, download the binary from official GitHub repo. Uncompress the zip file. Run this command to make CKB a system command. It's a typical Unix trick to create a symlink, but it's okay for you not to understand what a symlink is for now. Then check if it works by running CKB -version. Now that CKB client is installed, I can generate the default configuration files for the testnet with this command. We create a folder named CKB-testnet and generated config files in it. Go inside the folder and start CKB software. In the console output, we see that my node is downloading the whole blockchain from other nodes. This will take some time. You can go to Explorer to know the latest block height, so that you will get a sense of how long the downloading will take. Once the downloading finished, we have our node up and running, and that's awesome. Now I need to generate my own wallet and replace the default configuration for the local node, so that the mining reward goes to my own pocket. Firstly, create a simple Node.js project. Be aware that this project is not part of the CKB node and is only used to generate a wallet for us. The code will use some new JS features like async await. So make sure your Node.js version is not too old. Mine is 10.10. Please use a same or greater version. Create a folder to save the Node project. Generate package.json file. And install the JS SDK as a npm package. Now, create a file named index.js with demo code from the JS SDK official repo. To generate a new wallet, run node index.js. The first two lines of output is a wallet, which is nothing more than a private and public key pair. And the later script part is another form for your wallet's public key, which you can use to replace the node's default configuration in ckb.toml. Now, Ctrl+C to stop the CKB process. Restart again to load the modified config. To start mining, we need to open a new terminal and run CKB miner. Wait for a few minutes until you see something like this in the console output. This means I found a CO for block and mined a block successfully. So we can go to Explorer, search our wallet, and check to see the reward. Alright, that's all for this episode. I showed you how to set up CKB node and mine block. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.